When I think about the prudent investor, and you think about a definition, right? So acting with or showing care and thought for the future. And this example that we have here, no prudent money manager would authorize a loan without first knowing its purpose, right? You want to have a sufficient amount of information so that you can make good choices. And acting with, taking action, showing care, thought, concern for future outcomes based upon present conditions and present actions. And that's very important for any type of investor, to be sure, but certainly for a crypto investor. I'm highlighting this slide in particular, the 2022 Black Investor Survey that is put out annually, and I expect a new one to come soon, from Ariel Investments and Schwab. So Ariel Investments is owned by Mellody Hobson, and then you have Schwab, the investment bank. And there were some interesting findings because last year was the first time that they included information about Black crypto investment and the dramatic uptick. I think the Black population actually over indexes in crypto holdings, and there's some interesting reasons or hypotheses, I should say, as to why. But I first show you this slide from the report that shows the historical stock market participation by Black investors and white investors. Black stock market participation is as low as it has been when the survey first started in 1998. So there's no uptick, but there is a narrowing in the gap because white investors, interestingly, have started to lapse. White stock market participation is at an all-time low. And between 2020 and 2022, stock market participation among Black Americans grew about 3 percentage points, but basically is still quite low. And we start to think about why, and that may be a story for another day in the time that we have together, but all sorts of reasons about access to the type of money to begin investing. Many people actually invest as part of their retirement benefits, but if you can't get a great job with retirement benefits, that's of concern. There is a literacy gap in financial and fiscal literacy, to be sure. But what I also know for sure is that people of color are migrating to crypto investment because, again, there is no gatekeeper to prevent participation in the space. And this is critically important. So some statistics from the Ariel Schwab report: 25% of Black Americans currently own crypto, which I find amazing. 23% cited excitement about crypto as the reason that they started investing in the first place, which means that for almost a quarter of crypto holders, they actually purchased crypto as their first investment, not a house, not stock, not other traditional investments, which is interesting too. You actually can get in for a very nominal amount. You can open your Cash App. If you have Cash App, you can open it up and actually buy Bitcoin, $5, $10 of it as well. In fact, that's your second part of homework. The first one is to actually read the Satoshi white paper. 2, buy $5, $10 of Bitcoin in Cash App if you have it. If not, it's a very easy and relatively inexpensive way to actually purchase crypto, Bitcoin in particular. That's the only one that's available on Cash App. Black Americans ranked cryptocurrency as the best investment choice overall, which is striking. And 68% of Black investors see cryptocurrency as risky versus 73% of their white counterparts, which, if we translate that, means that Black investors are less likely to find crypto risky as their white counterparts. I believe that is an area we need to work on because there's a lot that people don't know that they don't know. And that's often a place where people get wrecked, as you can see from this example. I want you to check yourself before you wreck yourself. And if you are a Gen Xer, you know exactly what song that comes from. I do not want you to be these people. Don't be these people. I want you to be a prudent crypto investor. That doesn't mean you're going to always win and always make money, to be sure, but you want to have a plan, a framework, so that you don't make emotional decisions either to buy or to sell.